Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been off from doing everything for all videos regardless of whatever it is because I had exams, stuff like that. So I decided to do, start back with a bit of vlogging. So here I am. First off, of course, breakfast. Always breakfast. Eggs always first. I'm gonna do a bit of plantain as well. I at least do about 3 eggs or so. But since I'm scrambling them, I'm gonna do at least 4. So here I do 4. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna boil both the plantain. I'm gonna do 2. Both the plantain and the egg. So yeah. Lost a bit of couple pounds, and nothing too major. Always still try to keep up my diet. Do a couple workouts here and there, but I honestly miss the gym. I would not say different. So as those two, we're gonna have a bit of a conversation. Hey guys, so I was deciding if to, leave the channel as Fitness with Shawnee or Life with Shawnee. Incorporating every single thing, both fitness, vlogs, challenges, everything. So it would be just this one page of you can hear fitness, you can have a little laughter, and then you can look at challenges, looking to do a collab with certain YouTubers and stuff like that. But I was contemplating it for a while, but I'm not sure. Studying for exams, like all these are things that I was thinking about. They were playing on my mind, looking how I could improve the channel, come back with a whole different idea, different outlook, a different view when you watch my videos. Looking to also get a camera. Probably by the next 2 months or so I should have it. So it'll be a lot easier to vlog, a lot easier to see myself. At this point, to thank you all for continue to ride with me. I go in public and people will be asking me, or the guy that do the videos, and you give me parts that they like about it, and it made them laugh. I honestly appreciate and thank each and every one of you. As soon as COVID-19 has passed, I will be going back to the gym. And yeah, keeping getting those gains. But I have weights at home. When I finish my breakfast, I'm gonna go show you all that. Actually, let me show you all. This is a briefcase with them. I think my brother got this off of Amazon. And yeah, not much weight, but it does the job. I must say it does the job, to keep myself active and keep myself occupied. Then I have my resistance bands. All kinds, as well as my skipping rope. So yeah, for the time being, it isn't too bad. It isn't that I don't get any fitness at all. And then I do, my cardio as well. And I also follow back some of my YouTube videos. So you all can look at them when you all get a chance. I will probably put a card up in the corner. So yeah. And they're boiling away their lace, so I'll take them out soon. Tell me you all when it's always like I'm not too sure when you all finish your eggs. Do you all put them straight to cold water, or you all put them in water and let them cool? I mean, because almost every time I shell my eggs, some of the egg is left on the shell. What is the best way to do it? Let me know what you all do. Tell me what you all do, because I still don't know the best way. So here they are, guys. Putting in the cold water now. Shake them around a little bit. Don't want to leave the cold water too long, so because obviously you're gonna get cold. And cold egg, no. Okay guys, just got off from work, so I'm about to head to the beach with my sister. Got some wine, and yeah, just chill, her and I, and let's see. Well, we only have 2 hours, well technically around 50 minutes, around 30 minutes, so we'll see We'll see how it goes. Hopefully the rain doesn't come down because outside looks cloudy. So yeah, I'm gonna meet her now and then I'll ride to the beach. And she has arrived. Because my tint is so dark, she doesn't know I'm snapping, so we'll see her facial expression when she sees the camera on her. She has a butt. I guess she's doing some studying. Oh yeah, she has exams. Alright, so she doesn't want to be in the vlog, but we're gonna go down Accra side, and yeah, we'll see how long there is. I wanted to go to Bronx Beach, I think it was. But we'll go Accra just for her sake. So we see how it is, and yeah, that's cool out. Drink wine. I don't think I'm going into the water though, because going into the water and then I have to bring the sand into my car, and that was a whole cleaning session, and I like my vehicle clean. So.
Much later.
Barely surviving, barely someone mastering. Poor B. That's 3. Alright, we're gonna stare. The time is 6, so we have like 50 minutes. So they're gonna open the wine. Go for it. Wait, you're supposed to take off this whole thing? Sorry, but I'm going through it. No problem. Sorry. No problem. Alright, that one is for you. Cheers. Not bad, not bad.
I can't imagine going on something else. I can't.
Alright, your cup. And it's over, guys. Much people aren't around though. I was expecting, I honestly was expecting a lot more people. But kind of under the influence, not too much. It's just cool. It's just cool. It's just cool, just a little bit. Because it's sure the bottle of my sister, so that was cool. I honestly like wine though. Like my go-to alcoholic beverage is wine. Not too much though. Not too much. Like just seldom. It's wine. I just prefer to come to the beach. I don't like to go into the water. Hopefully the audio. Hey, you good? You good? Yeah. Alright. Enjoy your evening, man. But I honestly like to enjoy the what was it? I honestly just like to come to the beach to come on the sand. Alright guys, so we're leaving now. It was 6 o'clock. I hear a police siren, so I'm not taking any chances. So I'm gonna take her to her vehicle, and then we're gonna head home. So yeah. Okay, so that's the end of the vlog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, share everything. But yeah, thanks for watching.